Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a different type of video than any that I have ever done, but I wanted to show it to you because it is as real as it gets. Normally when I film a cleaning video, I do it when Emerson is either down for a nap, has already gone to bed for the night, or Andrew has her out of the house or is just watching her for me. But this is what it's like when Andrew is away at work and I have Emerson by myself. It's going to be a whole lot of back and forth between me cleaning and then stopping to take care of Emerson and then starting up cleaning again, but this is just what it's really like. This is also going to be a two-part video. Part 2 is going to be more of a clean and meal prep with me, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss part 2 of this cleaning video. Emmy is notorious for spilling her milk on the couch, and this particular night the soured milk smell was really bad. So I decided tonight was the night to do something about the odor. To remove the soured milk odor from my couch, I'm going to be using a product called Odor Cleanse. This video is sponsored by Odor Cleanse. I've actually been using this brand for a couple years now, and I use it in other areas of my home, including my laundry, and it does amazing things. Odor Cleanse is made from safe earth minerals. It's non-toxic and safe to use around your family and pets, which I personally love as a mother. The products actually remove odors at the source, so there's no masking agents in the products, and it's quick and easy to use, which again, I love. So like I said, I'm trying to remove soured milk stains from my couch, which happen all of the time, unfortunately, and there is nothing worse than having guests come over and sit on your couch and knowing that they are smelling that same stinky smell that you smell every single day. I used to use vinegar to try and remove soured milk smells from my house, but it never really did the trick, and it always left my house smelling super strongly of vinegar. The first thing that I'm doing is removing the couch cushions and giving the couch a good vacuum. Here you can see there are plenty of stains on this couch, and this couch isn't even very old. I'm not even sure how some of the stains get there, but here are some of the bigger stains and the main culprits of the bad odor. The first thing I'm doing is saturating the stains with warm water. I'm just using a washcloth to do this, but a spray bottle would probably work a little bit better. I just didn't have one on hand. And then I'm going in with the Odor Cleanse Source Odor Treatment in a spray bottle and spraying it down really well. I let the solution sit for about 30 seconds, and then I'm coming in with a very damp washcloth and using a blotting motion to blot up the spots. I'm happy to report and not at all surprised that the Odor Cleanse Source Odor Treatment totally did the trick and removed all of the soured milk odor from my couch cushions. And it was actually really easy and quick to use as well. I also have a discount code for you guys if you are interested in getting some Odor Cleanse products for yourself. You can use the code SIMPLE15 at checkout, and I'll have a link for you in the description box below. Now that my couch is back to smelling nice and fresh, I'm letting the couch cushions dry for a little bit, and I'm moving back into the kitchen and taking out the trash. As I was taking out the trash, I realized that the trash bag had leaked all into the bottom of the trash can, so I'll need to clean that out. It's dinner time for Emerson, and I am making her the world's easiest meal, but it's something that I know she will eat. So I'm starting by steaming up a bag of frozen broccoli, and I'm cooking up the entire bag because I wanted to have some leftovers to heat up for her the next day. This is something that I have learned as a mother, is to always cook up a little something extra of whatever I'm cooking for my child that night to make meal prep a little bit easier the next day. And I'm going to make her just a cup of Easy Mac. This is not something I would typically make for her, but on nights that I just need her to have a quick and easy meal, this is such a lifesaver. I'm sure so many of you moms can relate. Although Emmy is fairly good about eating her veggies, a trick I have learned for getting her to eat them completely gone is to put just a tiny bit of butter and some salt onto her warm veggies, and she will eat them all. Somehow I spilled a whole bunch of Easy Mac cheese all over the floor, just keeping it real, folks. So I'm going to vacuum that up really quick. And then here is the leftover broccoli that I'm going to just put in a Tupperware container and stick in the fridge for an easy meal tomorrow. I turned them inside out to see. My refrigerator badly needed to be cleaned out, so I'm removing everything from the refrigerator, going 2 shelves at a time, and then I'm going to wipe down the shelves with my Thieves household cleaner, which is 100% non-toxic, so I don't mind spraying it around my food. And I'll be throwing out any food that is expired or any leftovers that have gone bad. It could work. Am I the one who will get burned? I see the glances, you're faking it. How long will you keep playing it? I'm hoping, I'm wishing that one day you listen so we can connect again. I'm feeling the purpose. I know we're not perfect, but my soul is reaching out. I'm gonna hand you the truth, hand you the truth. I ain't got a calling card. What can I do? Froze up by you. Now that Emmy has eaten her dinner and I've cleaned up the kitchen a little bit, I'm moving into the living room to pick up Emmy's toys and just straighten up the couch cushions, the pillows, and the blankets. Another real-life mom moment. These are clean clothes that Emmy threw out of the basket all over the floor. Before I give Emmy a bath and put her to bed, we usually go on a little evening, afternoonish stroll around the neighborhood. But this is just another real-life example of what it's like to clean the house with a toddler. It's a lot of stop and start and interruptions. We are back from our walk. I've given Emmy a bath and put her in her jammies, and the last thing I do is straighten up her room with her. I do most of the cleaning and straightening up of Emmy's toys, but I do like to ask her to help me with a few little things here and there just to get her started with the learning process of picking up after herself. So that is it for this very raw and realistic clean with me with a toddler. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up to show me that you liked it. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel so you don't miss any of the videos that I have coming up. Also, use the code SIMPLE15 for 15% off of your order with Odor Cleanse. I will have the links in the description box below. Also, I am going to have this baby any day now, so make sure you are following us on Instagram at allie_gooch, because that is where I will notify you first as soon as they go into labor. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.